Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to continue with the Nissan hardbody pickup. What we're going to do, we're going to start removing this interior. This interior is nasty, so I'm going to show you what I'm going to use, how I'm going to replace it, how it's going to be done. Let's go. All right, let's begin. Now let's see how the inside is. And as you can see, it is nasty, guys. Now my wife did help me and remove the seat. So the seat is already out. We are gonna upholster the seat also, but I'm gonna clean everything up so that I can actually paint the inside. All of this is gonna get painted, but I'm more worried about this carpet. This carpet needs to go. Let me show you the carpet that's going to be coming in to there. And this is the carpet that I'm going to be installing. The brand is Auto Custom Carpets, but where I got it from is Stock Interiors. That is a website where I got it from, Stock Interiors. So go ahead, hit them up. They got so many different make, years, and models of cars. Maybe yours is there. If you need a carpet so that your truck or car doesn't look like mine, that's where you get them from. If your interior is like mine, you need to change it. All of this is gonna get cleaned up, but I'll show you how to prep it. I'll show you how to have it ready. It's we know that we're gonna have to cut here and there to adjust it, but I'm gonna show you everything that needs to be done. First, we need to remove this. And as you can see, guys, this thing is nasty. Whoever had this truck before, wow. It is nasty, but we're gonna clean everything up and get it in tip-top shape. And after a couple of hours of cleaning it up, there you go, nice and clean. This is a little bit of surface rust, which I'm gonna clean, but there it is. Now we can install the carpet. Here it is, out of the box, guys. Now what you need to do, lay it down flat. It'll be a lot better on the sun, but right now there's no sun, so it don't matter. It's gonna mold to the vehicle. All the indentations and stuff that the carpet has, try to push them in, push them out, make sure that they're popped up. Now just lay it flat. I'm gonna leave it for about an hour, just laying it flat, making sure that it's good, it's been separated and it's been opened from the box. Now this one, I did get it with this installed, which is it's like a sound deadening thing, and it does have that padding where it needs to be. It's exactly the same as the one I had, or the one that the nasty truck had. So there you go. We're gonna leave it about an hour, then I'll show you how to install it. Now remember that the new one doesn't come cut. You're gonna have to cut all the little pieces that need to be cut on the new one, but you can use your old one as a template. Like me, I need to cut all that area right there to this one. All right, so if you still have your old one, just use it as a template so that you can cut it correctly. But as you can see, the difference, it's the same color carpet, and you can see the difference on the color, guys. All right, so I'm gonna start cutting the new one with these cuts right there. I have cut that little piece. Now I trimmed it a little bit smaller than the original, but I'll trim it once it's installed. Now another thing, try to use a brand new razor blade. It's a lot easier to cut. So let's roll it up, put it in the truck. And after everything is said and done and it's installed the new one, there you go. Now it looks nice. Perfect. Stock interiors, guys. If you need your interior replaced, go to Stock Interiors. That's a website right there. Look for your vehicle, get yourself one. You have a brand new carpet. Tell them Faraway sent you. Also, don't forget to reinstall your seat belts back. Have them ready. Cut the little holes where the seat is gonna go. We can bring the chair back in. All right, the seat has been installed. Yes, it is a nasty seat. I am gonna upholster it. I'm using this to put it under. I don't want to sit on that. But what I wanted to show you is now that the seat has been bolted on, now I can trim this area. I didn't want to do it when it wasn't bolted on because it was going to start moving. Now I know where it goes. Now you can trim it. There you go. Nicely trimmed. Now you can install the piece that goes right here. It'll hold that carpet in. We are done. And there you go, guys. Everything is set and done. Looks amazing. Yeah, I gotta button up a couple of little things here and there, but it looks good. I did put this towel on this chair because as you saw it, it's nasty. I am gonna upholster it, have it looking good. There you go, guys. This is gonna be it for this video. Thank you very much, and like always, have a great weekend, have a great week, and I'll see you next weekend. Thank you and God bless.
Hands deep in the grease, call it auto therapy. Far away spray, got the drip.